Glen Innes, New South Wales, Australia, January 10, 2025. The Met Office has issued a yellow weather warning which will be in place from 4 p.m. on Thursday, January 9, until 10 a.m. on Friday, January 10, for parts of South Wales, Newport, Monmouthshire and Blaenau Gwent, particularly the Glen Innes area. Meanwhile, a second yellow weather warning, which will also affect South Wales, will come into force from 3 a.m. on Friday, until 11 a.m.
बढ़िया बा ले लो
The latest warning from the Met Office follows on from the yellow and yellow weather warnings that have been in place for several days in Wales due to snow, ice and sleet. The Met Office said the new yellow weather warning was issued for South Wales due to scattered wintry rain and snow which could lead to ice. The Met Office has issued advice on how to prepare for the yellow weather warning and the risks it poses. A Met Office spokesperson said, "Keep yourself and your family safe during cold weather. Plan to leave the house at least 5 minutes earlier than usual. Take your time, to reduce the risk of accidents, slips and falls." A severe hailstorm has hit Glen Innes, NSW. The storm has produced very heavy hail, some the size of golf balls. Videos circulating on social media have shown hailstones, some the size of golf balls. Climate change is affecting atmospheric properties relevant to hail in ways that lead to expectations of reduced hail frequency but increased hail severity. However, there is large geographical variation in observed and modeled changes, so the response of hail to climate change remains highly uncertain in Australia and around the world. The ARC Centre of Excellence for Climate Extremes is conducting research into how climate change is affecting severe convective storms including hail, and the relationship between large-scale atmospheric conditions and hail occurrence.